What is going on, everybody? Uh, Waiting, so you guys can see all that stuff. That's my view. But I'm picking up a crate, airplane engine. So waiting on a truck driver to drop it off. Uh, Walking the dog right now. But it's about 2,000 something pounds. About 2,000 something pounds. Uh, just one big crate. So it's a whole motor engine for an airplane. Could be for a jet engine or a big like C-130 or no telling what it's going to, but uh, yeah. So another day being a truck driver. Still waiting for my truck to kind of get finished up here so I can get that thing on the road. I got a lot of stuff I still got to do to it, but at least want to get that baby back running again. That's the one thing. Get it back running and driving and kind of get it on the road. So still waiting. I got to do my taxes too, so that's going to be fun. But I will keep you guys updated.